Well, I had a customer drop off a Venturer portable radio cassette recorder. It's just a little cheapo, just an AM FM, nothing special recorder. So first off, let's see if the radio works. Well, I get some sound at least. Yes, the radio does actually work. Well, let's check the tape now. So it has a good quality tape in it, a TDK SA. This is a nice quality tape back in the day. Well, let's see if it's going to play it. Does not sound good at all. Well, I wonder if it just needs a simple cleaning, if the tape might be slipping on the pinch roller down in here. So we'll get some acetone out and we'll try to give it a quick cleaning and see if that helps. Well, I went ahead and just really easily popped off the door so we can gain access to the heads here. So I'm going to trip the record protect. I'm going to put it in the record mode so the erase head, which is a permanent magnet erase head, comes up, and then we'll get some acetone out and clean the capstan and the pinch roller right there and see if it makes any kind of a difference. It does stall very, very easily, which leads me to believe it's just got a worn belt. So we'll start by doing the pinch roller and the capstan shaft. I've got a cotton swab here soaked with some acetone. Next, we'll just wipe off the record play head and the permanent magnet erase head. And with the remaining, I'm going to re-scrub the pinch roller and the capstan shaft. They look really good, actually. Well, it certainly looks much better than when we started, so let's go ahead and pop the tape back into it and see what happens. It's a little bit better, but a lot of warble to it. A lot of warble. Well, let's go ahead and pop it open and see if we can get to the belt, see if it needs to be cleaned and or replaced. Okay, well there is the inside of the unit. And so let's take a look at the capstan belt, and I can already tell it is used up. As I move it there, you can see it kind of just wavering around in the wind. So it needs a refill on the capstan belt. These are really easy to do because normally the belt will just fall off of the capstan motor shaft. Then we can pull it out. There it is. Look at the shape of it. And see how it wants to creep after I let go of it? That indicates a bad belt. Well, let's see if I can find a replacement. Well, I did manage to find a replacement belt. It's just a little bit shorter, probably by about 1/4 to 1/2 of an inch. So we'll go ahead and get that one cleaned up and prepped with some acetone and a paper towel. Get it installed and see if it makes a difference. There we go. That belt was actually really clean. And just for the heck of it, we'll go ahead and clean the take-up belt too. This one actually feels really good. Yeah, that one's in great shape. All right. New belt is installed. The old belt is cleaned for the take-up. Let's go ahead and pop it back together, put the tape in it, and see if it makes any difference. All right, here we go. New belt. Well, it certainly sounds much, much better than it did. I think that's going to be it. I just got to pop the door back on it and give it a final test. Well, there it is back together. I have one of my tapes in it. Playing absolutely fine. Well, that's it. The repair on the Venturer. I don't even know what model this thing is. It is a model 9100. Made in China. All the best stuff's made in China, don't you know? But interestingly enough, this thing has an AC power transformer built into it. Really rare to find anything like this. I certainly hope you enjoyed the repair on the Venture 9100. Little tape recorder with an AM/FM radio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave me a question, a comment, a concern down below, good or bad. I try to respond to the comments when I have time. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button and like this video. It really does help my channel grow. You can follow me on social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter at NorCal715. You can email me, NorCal715videos@gmail.com. Remember, with your help, we can try to keep these things out of the landfill, out of the recycle bin, and out of the e-waste facility. Everybody, thank you for making it to the end of this quick little video on belt replacement on your Venture 9100. I really do appreciate it. Everyone have a great day. Thank you so much for watching once again. Bye-bye.